Good morning, students. Welcome back to plus two second year English. The name of the prose is The Doctor's Word, written by Arkinarayan. We have already discussed some paragraphs of the prose. Today we will start from the scratch. जोड़ छाड़ी देइथिले सेठु आरंभ करिया. That means we will start from the scratch. So grocery, whimper. So let's know whimper means utter weak or frightened sound. भय डर डर संबलित रड़ी किंबा क्षीण रड़ी. Essay here means try, चेष्टा करिया. Fatigue, that is tiredness, or in Odia that is klantita ba klanti. Famished, hungry, pull through, recover from illness. Flash up, a sudden ray of hope. माने आशार झलक, हठात आशार झलक. Ruminate, turn over in the mind, that is चिंता करिबा और रोमंथन करिबा or think. So we will discuss about the prose. Yes, why did Gopal's wife call for Dr. Raman? Why didn't Gopal's wife call for Raman earlier? Yes, Gopal's wife didn't call Dr. Raman earlier because she thought that doctor must be busy and it was not wise to call him and to trouble him. That is why Gopal's wife did not call for Dr. Raman earlier. Next question is, here is the next question. What steps did the doctor take to save his friend from death? Gopal, Dr. Raman rushed to Gopal's house, hearing about his sickness and saw his critical condition. His friend was in critical condition. By seeing it, he was sad. Tears welled up in his eyes. तांका आखिरे लुह झरीगला. He prepared injection and shot in the drug. He watched his symptoms closely. He watched him, marked him, gauged him closely. When no change came over the patient, he arranged operation to save his friend's life. These were the steps the doctor took to save his friend from death. Now, Unit 4, warm-up activity. Do doctors let the near relatives of the patient? Do doctors let the near relatives know about the seriousness of their patient's condition? ସାଂଘାତିକତା ଜଣାନ୍ତି କି ରୋଗୀର निकट संपर्कीय मानक डॉक्टर माने तांकर सांघातिक अवस्थाटा जनाती कि डॉक्टर रमन वाज फ्रैंक खोलाखोली लोक हु वाज डॉक्टर रमन वाज फ्री एंड फ्रैंक खोलाखोली लोक व्हाट डज ही डू इन केस ऑफ हिज ब्लूजूम फ्रेंड ये खोलाखोली लोक व्हाट डज ही डू कौन करती इन केस ऑफ हिज ब्लूजूम फ्रेंड तांकर घनिष्ठ बंधु को अवस्था रे read the following unit of the text for your answer. Okay, now let's move yes the text. At about 8 in the evening, the time was evening and it was 8 o'clock. At about 8 in the evening, the patient opened his eyes. Who opened his eyes? The patient opened his eyes. When? At 8 in the evening. Could understand? And stirred. Who stirred? The patient stirred. Stirred means halchal haba. Stirred slightly in the bed. Khatta over tige halchal hele. Who stirred slide in the bed? The patient stirred slightly in the bed. The assistant सहकारी doctor's assistant डॉक्टर सहकारी was overjoyed आनंद रदी रहीगले when he saw the patient opened his eyes and stirred in the bed. The assistant was happy. Overjoyed. Who was happy? Who was overjoyed? The assistant was happy and overjoyed. Why? Because the patient opened his eyes and stirred in the bed. He exclaimed enthusiastically. Who exclaimed? The assistant exclaimed विस्मय कले माने आनंद उत्साह उद्दीपना रे enthusiastically. He exclaimed enthusiastically, Sir, he will pull through. Sir, वर्तमान से रोग टी भल होगा जाउचंती. The assistant said it to the exclaimed it to the doctor. The doctor looked at him coldly. धीरे देखिले. Whom? At the patient. Patient means who was the patient? Gopal, doctor's bosom friend. And whispered, धीरे कहले, said in a lowering voice, low voice, I would give anything to see him through, but the heart, yes, but we have to check up the heart. The pulse has improved, sir. Again, the assistant checked the pulse rate of the patient and said, Sir, the pulse has improved. Well, replied the doctor. Don't trust it. ठीक अच्छी. But don't trust it. तब विश्वास करना. It is only a false flash up. Maybe एरा गोटे मिछि का improvement है पारे. We have to wait and observe. Very common in these cases. ये भलिया केस गुड़ाक इमितिका इम्प्रूवमेंट very common and false. He ruminated. Who said it? The doctor said it. Whom? To the assistant. He ruminated for a while and added. Who ruminated? The doctor ruminated means thought for a while and added and said, if the pulse will keep up till 8 in the morning, who said it? The doctor said it. Jodi এই ପଲ୍ସ ରେଟ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ନାଡ଼ି ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଚାଲିବ ଆସନ୍ତା ସକାଳ 8ଟା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ or if the pulse will keep up till 8 in the morning, it will go on for next 40 years. That means the patient will live for next 40 years. It's 100% sure. But I doubt, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ସନ୍ଦେହ କରୁଛି very much If we shall see anything of it at all after two nights. In ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ସନ୍ଦେହ କରୁଛି ବୋଧେ ଆଉ ଦିଟା ଏଇ two night after two nights, right? Who said it? The Dr. Raman said it. Dr. Raman said it. Okay. He sent away the assistant. Who? Dr. Raman sent away the assistant. ତାକୁ ପଠେଇଦେଲେ, you go away, and sat beside the patient. Who sat beside the patient? The doctor. At about 11, the time was 11, the patient opened his eyes and smiled at his friend. Could understand what happened? There was improvement. At 11 o'clock, the patient opened his eyes and smiled at his friend. He showed a slight improvement. ତାଙ୍କର ରୋଗର ପ୍ରଗତିର ଟିକେ ପ୍ରଗତି ଦେଖେଇଲେ, ମାନେ ସଂକେତ ଦେଖିଲେ. He was able to take in a little food and he was able to take some food. A great feeling of relief, ଆଶ୍ୱସ୍ତିର ବଡ଼ ଅନୁଭୂତି, a great relief, a feeling of relief and joy went through the household. Entire house was overjoyed, happy to see it. ଏହା ଦେଖିକିରି. Next, a great feeling of relief and joy went through the household. They swarmed around the doctor. ତାଙ୍କର ଡକ୍ଟରର ଚତୁର୍ଦିଗରେ ଘେରିଗଲେ. swarmed around, ମାଛି ଦଳ ଭଳିଆ ଘେରିଗଲେ. Around whom? Around the doctor. Who? The members of the house. And poured out their gratitude. And ତାଙ୍କୁ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା, gratitude means କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜଣାଇଦେଲେ, ଭର୍ତ୍ତି କରିଦେଲେ, ଅଜାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ. Who? All the members. He sat in his seat beside the bed. ସେ ବସିଲେ. Gazing sternly at the patient face. ତା ପେସେଣ୍ଟର ମୁହଁକୁ ଅନେଇ ରହିକି ନିରୀକ୍ଷି କରି ଅନେଇ ରହି ବସିଲେ. Who? The doctor sat gazing sternly at the patient face, hardly showing any sign of hearing what they were saying to him. ସତେ hardly କ୍ୱଚିତ, showing any sign, କିଛି ସଂକେତ ନଥିଲେ ଯେ he was listening to them. Actually ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ, he was listening, he was hearing them, but he acted as if he was not able to hear them. Who? The doctor. The sick man's wife asked, sick man's wife is patient's or Gopal's wife asked, is he now out of danger? Who asked? Gopal's wife asked. To whom? To the doctor. Is he now out of danger? Without turning his head, the doctor said. Who said? Doctor. Give glucose and brandy every 40 minutes. The doctor did not give the direct answer to Gopal's wife. Just he said, give glucose and brandy every 40 minutes. Just a couple of spoons will do. Couple of just 2 cup spoon ଦେଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ. The lady went away to the kitchen. Who went away? Gopal's wife. She felt restless. Who was restless? Gopal's wife was restless, impatient, adhira. She felt she must know the truth, whatever it was. ଯାହା ହେଇଥିବ ସେ ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର ବୋଲି she thought. Gopal's wife. Why was the great man so evasive? Why the great man, why the doctor is avoiding all her questions, not answering even a single one? This was the problem with Gopal's wife. Gopal's wife ଭାବୁଛି ଯେ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ମହାନ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ମୋତେ ସବୁ କଥା लुचोइला भाया रखुंट कहीं गोटे पचारे गोटे कहते बिकज दि डॉक्टर वाज इवासिस एवॉइडिंग नॉट गिविंग द प्रॉपर आंसर टू हेयर क्वेश्चन द सस्पेंस वाज अनबियरेबल सस्पेंस मीन्स ये जो संदिग्ध माने गूढ़ता वाज अनबियर असह्य पूरा असह्य था Perhaps he could not speak so near the patient's bed. Both way patient agare kaunati she thought. She beckoned to him from the kitchen doorway. So who beckoned? અને હાથરે ઠારીગીરી ડાકીલે. Who? Gopal's wife. Whom? To the doctor. From the kitchen doorway, the doctor rose and went over uthile gale. She asked, what about him now? Please tell me, how is he? Gopal's wife asked, impatiently asked the doctor about the condition of the patient. The doctor beat his lips. Doctor beat means chobele his lips, otto kambudile and replied, uttar dile. Who beat his lips? The doctor beat his lips. Looking at the floor, don't get excited, Adharjo no. Unless you must know about it, तमें जो पर्यंत जान don't ask now. बर्तमान तमें पचार. Her eyes opened wide in terror. भୟରେ तांको आखि खोलिगला. एडे एडे आखि गला. Whose eyes? Gopal's wife's eyes. She clasped her hands together and implored. तांगा हाथ बिड़ी धरी पकेले हाथ धरी पकेले एवं अनुनय implored meaning अनुनय होकर पचारे. Who? Gopal's wife clasped whose hand? The doctor's hand and requested, tell me the truth. सत कथाटा कहतु. The doctor replied, I would rather not talk to you now. डॉक्टर कहले मु तुम सहित ए कथा नहवाटा ठीक हम. आई वुड रेदर नॉट टॉक टू यू नाउ. ही टर्नड राउंड एंड वेंट बैक टू हिज चेयर. बुली पड़े एवं तांकर चेयर को पड़ेले. ए टेरिबल वेलिंग इज शॉट थ्रू द स्टील हाउस. से जो नीरव निस्तब्ध घरे गोटे चित्कार भयंकर चित्कार सुनागला. The patient started and looked, started means also and looked about in a bewilderment, confusion and विभ्रांतिकर अवस्था रे चाहिला. The doctor got up again, छिड़ाले, went over to the kitchen door पाकु गले, do it, ताकु कबाटटा को टाणी देले, in securely and shut up the wall, ताकु कबाटा पकी देले. So the words gratitude means thankfulness, that is in Oriya कृतज्ञता. Evasive means avoiding a straight or honest answer. तामाने गोटे खसी evasive खसी जीवा पड़ी नले एडेवा पड़ी एई बढ़िया जिंस. So today we discussed 2-3 paragraphs of the +2 second year English prose or story, The Doctor's Ward. We will have more discussion in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.